Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable push notification for messages that you receive from Messenger on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in your device. Then tap on Tools icon. Next tap on Settings. After that, tap on Notification. Then you can see the option of push notification. Below it, you can see the option of messages. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable push notification for messages that you receive from Messenger on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.